and then I'll just take a couple photos of you. If you just want to like maybe put your hands like this first, and then we'll work things out. Okay. Perfect. Hey, just put them on. Yeah, perfect like that. Hands on your hips now if possible. Yep. Perfect. Really nice. Right over here, big smile. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Right, that's perfect. One more. Go ahead and walk. Slowly, looking around. Perfect. And look at the camera here. Nice, beautiful. For right now, no, but yes, we'll actually do it. You know, we'll look down here. Excellent. Here's perfect. Don't worry if you hit me. Go ahead. Perfect. Nice. Let me see one of these here. Oh my god, it's pretty good. You want to look at the camera over here? Nice. Right over here to that one. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. Well done. Is that a B? Yeah. Oh my god. Right over here. Excellent. Let me see if I can get one with the building here. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3. That one actually came out pretty nice. Excellent. Wonderful, wonderful. Just keep looking over here. Nice. Oh, that's wonderful. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, sounds good. It's like right over, right there actually, right here.
Here?
Yeah, I'm gonna be shooting that way. Let me get ready here. Perfect. Yeah, that's actually good, yeah. gonna be hilarious right here. You're gonna.
Thank you. Very nice, yes. But I don't think I look like I'm up to no good. So.
Oh, that's amazing.
See the sign up there? I'm like.
I wonder if I could just vertical.
Okay.
Ask.
That should be. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try unless. You're good?
Look that good. You can take your time. Yes. But you are getting I smell like my street. Yeah, when you look like that, it's great.
Right. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's good. That's amazing. Perfect. Somewhere there.
There we go.
That's perfect. Yes. We can do that. No, it should be low. We can try that. We don't know until I shoot it.
Right. Okay. Do I want to drop down? Maybe I'll just throw it back. Because it's gross. There we go.
Ooh, very nice. It's all good. Oof. Good. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Because
Feet are dirty is the problem. So I'll try to.
perfect. Waiting for that person to pass. I'm gonna hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna move a little more back. Whenever you're ready. Ooh. More back. You see the wheel, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so aligning to the wheel. I thought that was there.
Right? Okay, so like,
Right there is perfect, actually. If you don't want to do it, it's fine.
no, I can do this. Give me a couple more times.
Yep.
I'm trying to load it.
Get you with the city here. Okay, got it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I realized I had to really do an intro to this video, but as you can see, I went out to do some photo shoots with a couple of people. First one being Miranda. Congrats to her. She just had her graduation, so we did some graduation type photos. Then the next photo shoot was actually going to be with Lara. We actually worked in the past together. She's really great to work with, very energetic. That's what I like about my clients. But yeah, we actually did a yoga photo shoot in downtown at the Bike Place Market in Seattle. Right now, I'm just importing everything onto external hard drives and SSDs only because I don't want to leave all the photos and videos that I have on my memory cards, because when it comes to go out and shooting, you know, you go out and shoot and then you realize that you still have photos and videos from the past photo shoots. So that kind of gets me disorganized, but I learned and I'm not putting that to the last minute anymore. All right guys, so I'm gonna give you one tip when it comes to organizing your data, photos and videos, and maybe audio if you're doing like some sort of voiceover type work. But everything I tend to put in external hard drives and SSDs in order to keep myself organized. You know, I group up by order, especially when doing vlogs. Like let's say for a vlog, I usually put like photo vlog number 4 if it's like a spring or winter vlog, depending which one, and obviously the year. And then from there I go from photos or to videos, depending on if it's a GoPro or from the Canon EOS R, so I know where to look when I'm looking for a video in order to edit in Final Cut Pro. And then from there I actually export any photos into the external hard drives in order to add the photos onto my software, Final Cut Pro. So I basically edit those photos, put them in there, whichever ones I like, and just add to the video and whatnot. When it comes to photos, everything I put in an SSD, well, not everything except photo shoots, I put them in an external hard drive. SSDs for usually like my type of work, my stuff that I like to do on my main feed R4S. But I organize that by month, and then I do the date, and I just import all the photos from that date. But yeah guys, I do suggest you guys organize your photos so that way you can find them easily. I know some people tend to just import them into the catalog in Lightroom on your computer. I think that's a big no-no in my experience, especially when I ran out of space on my other MacBook Pro, which was 1 terabyte, and I just ran out of stuff because I was shooting all the time. It's nice being organized. I really suggest you guys, especially for beginners, you'll thank yourself later. And yeah, that's pretty much the tip that I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm producing, and hopefully next video will be a little more fun. But I hope this video really inspired you to go out and shoot. And until the next one, peace.